Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to cable C4LP and C4RP, and these cable abbreviations are used to create the top half of this diamond shape. So to get started, I'm going to purl the first 3 stitches, and this is just part of the pattern, not the actual cable. The first cable that we're going to do is C4LP. So we will cross 4 left by slipping the next 3 stitches to the front on the cable needle. Then purl 1 and knit 3 from the cable needle. I will now knit the next 10 stitches to reach the next cable. The next cable is C4RP, so we will cross 4 right by slipping the next stitch to the back on the cable needle, knit 3, and purl 1 from the cable needle. And then I will purl 3 to finish that section of the diamond cable. So as you can see, by completing the C4LP and C4RP cables, this will help to create the top of the diamond shape in this Aran sweater pattern. To get this pattern, you can visit my website, the link is in the description, and the free pattern is available to view online and the PDF is in the shop. Thanks for watching.